front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by accessing Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it though, look for grey portrait one with a padlock. As you can see, mine Auto Rotate is over here, so when I click, it's grey and it says portrait, which means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to switch it on, click on portrait icon until it says auto rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!